I'll start with Assam General Assembly Elections 2021. Elections shall be held in 3 phases. First phase, issue of notification, 2nd March. First phase, 47 assembly constituencies, issue of notification, 2nd March. Last date of nomination, 9th March. Scrutiny of nomination, 10th March. Last date of withdrawal of candidature, 12th March. Date of poll, 27th March. Date of counting, 2nd May. I shall not read 2nd May again and again because that is the date of counting is same for all the elections. Am I clear? Can I go to the next? Assam 2nd phase, 39 constituencies. Issue of notification, 5th March. Last date of nomination, 12th March. Last date of withdrawal of candidature, 17th March. Date of poll, 1st April. If it is clear, I can go to next. It's clear? We can even read out the names of assembly constituencies, but that is going to be available to you, right? Assam 3rd phase, final phase, 40 assembly constituencies. Issue of notification, 12th March. Last date of nominations, 19th March. Scrutiny of nominations, 20th March. Last date of withdrawal of candidature, 22nd March. Date of poll, 6th April. Now I go to Kerala. All elections in 14 districts consisting of 140 assembly constituencies to be held in a single phase as follows. Issue of notification, 12th March. Scrutiny of nominations, 20th March. Last date of withdrawal of candidature, 22nd March. Date of poll, 6th April. Am I clear? Go back to Kerala, please. Scrutiny 20th March. Withdrawal 22nd. Date of poll 6th April. Is it okay? By-election to the vacant seat of Malappuram Parliamentary Constituency shall be conducted simultaneously along with the Assembly of Kerala on 6th April 2021. Shall I go to next? General election to Assembly of Tamil Nadu 2021. All elections to 38 districts consisting of 234 assembly constituencies shall be held in a single phase as follows. Issue of notification, 12th March. Last date of nomination, 19th March. Last scrutiny of nominations, 20th March. Last date of withdrawal of candidature, 22nd March. Date of poll, 6th April. If it is not clear to anybody, I can read it again. It's clear?
What about the parliament election?
I'm coming. This was my next slide. Just watch this. Elections to the vacant seat of 39 Kanyakumari parliamentary constituency will also be conducted simultaneously along with the assembly elections on 6th April. Right? Puducherry, 2 districts, 30 assembly constituencies to be conducted in a single phase as follows. Actually, when we went to Puducherry, most of the political parties wanted that the election should be conducted along with Tamil Nadu because both sides probably felt unsavory elements coming in from this side or that side. And Tamil Nadu being a far bigger state, this was the only major demand of the political parties in Puducherry. Anyway, I'll read it now. Issue of notification, 12th March. Last date of nomination, 19th March. Scrutiny of nomination, 20th March. Last date of withdrawal, 22nd March. Date of poll, 6th April. Friends, is it clear? West Bengal, 8 phases. Last time it was 7. No, that was, I have the data with me because I have to meet such intelligent people. That was split into 6A and 6B. It was ineffectively 7. It was split into 6A and 6B. You can take the statement from me after this. West Bengal, first phase. This will be 30 ACs. 30 ACs. Issue of notification, 2nd March. Last date of nominations, 9th March. Scrutiny of nomination, 10th March. Hour of candidature, 12th March. Date of poll, 27th March. And those 5 districts are Purulia, Bankura, Jhargram, Paschim Midnapur Part 1, Purvo Midnapur Part 1. Am I clear? Second phase, again 30 assembly constituencies. Issue of notification, 5th March. Last date of nominations, 12th March. Scrutiny of nominations, 15th March. Last date of withdrawal, 17th March. Date of poll, 1st April. And the districts covered are Bankura Part 2, Paschim Midnapur Part 2, Purvo Midnapur Part 2, South 24 Pargana Part 1. South Pargana Part 1. Are we clear? Shall we go to the next? Third phase, 31 assembly constituencies. Issue of notification, 12th March. Last date of nominations, 19th March. Scrutiny of nominations, 20th March. Last date of withdrawal, 22nd March. Date of poll, 6th April. Phase 4. 44 constituencies. 44. Issue of notification 16th March. Last date of nominations 23rd March. Scrutiny of nomination 24th March. Last date of withdrawal 26th March. Date of poll 10th April. The districts covered are Howrah Part 2, Hooghly Part 2, South Pargana Part 3, Alipurdar, all the 5 assembly constituencies, Cooch Behar, all the 9 assembly constituencies. Shall we go to next? 5th phase. 45 assembly constituencies. Issue of notification 23rd March. Last day of nomination 30th March. Scrutiny 31st March. Last date of withdrawal 3rd April. Date of poll 17th April. The districts covered are North Pargana Part 1, Nadia Part 1, Purbo Bardhaman Part 1, Darjeeling complete all the 5 constituencies, Kalimpong 1 constituency complete, Jalpaiguri all the 7 constituencies. Shall we go next? Phase 6, 43 constituencies. Issue of notification 26th March. Last date of nomination 3rd April. Scrutiny of nominations 5th April. Last date of withdrawal 7th April. Date of poll 22nd April. Forty-three. I can read out the districts again, although they are there in the slide in front of you. But I read out again since you asked. North Pargana Part 2, Nadia Part 2, Purbo Bardhaman Part 2, Uttar Dinajpur Part 2. All 9. Uttar, Purbo Bardhaman, all 8, and Uttar Dinajpur, all 9. Shall we go to the next? Seventh phase. 36 assembly constituencies. Issue of notification 31st March. Last date 7th April. Scrutiny of nominations 8th April. Last date of withdrawal 12th April. Date of poll 26th April. And the districts covered are Malda Part 1, Murshidabad Part 1, Paschim Bardhaman, all 9 ACs, Kolkata South, all 4 ACs, Dakshin Dinajpur, all 6 ACs. If you have gone through it, can we move to the last phase? Issue of notification 31st March. In all 35 constituencies. Issue of notifications 31st March. Last date of nominations 7th April. Scrutiny of nominations 18th April. Last date of withdrawal of candidature 12th April. Date of poll 29th April. 35. And the districts covered are Malda Part 2, Mushidabad Part 2, Birbhum Part 2, Birbhum, all 11 assembly constituencies, Calcutta North, all 7 assembly constituencies. As I said in the beginning only, the counting shall be done on 2nd May 2021. And there are 2 more parliament constituencies, Andhra Pradesh, Tirupati, and Karnataka in Belgaum. Since MCC shall be applicable on the restricted these constituencies because the entire state is not going to election, Mr. Sinha will issue a separate notification for that. Just like they will issue a separate notification for all the by-elections to all the states. We have the figures as follows. We have the number of vacancies, etc. I can tell you, but in all it is 18 plus 4. All the constituencies shall be issued separately by Election Commission.